Hi there, Raz here, and today we'll be looking at multiplying fractions. So let's get on to it. So multiplying fractions is the easiest of the fractions. So all you need to do is times the tops and times the bottoms. So if I rewrite the question, like so, we just need to multiply 2 and 7 together and 3 and 11 together. And that will give us 14 over 33. Job done. It is the easiest one, that's why. And so let's do one more example, but with a mixed number. So hopefully you know how to write a mixed number into top-heavy fraction. If not, watch my video. So to do this, we need to multiply those two numbers together and add 1. So we have 7 over 3 times 17 over 5. And we have to do that times that and that times that. So 7 times 17 and 3 times 5. So let's imagine I don't know what 17 times 7 is. What I would do, if you're in a position where you don't know, just multiply. 7 sevens are 49. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 4, 11. Done. There's your answer. Yeah? So that's multiplying fractions. The key is to times the tops together and times the bottoms together. Job done. Keep it simple. See you again soon.